everybody. We're the Blind Social Center located at 4955 Broadway, right in the heart of Gary, where the directors are Mr. and Mrs. Blair. Today has been a wonderful day here in our neighborhood. We are at Marquette Park Lagoon. We went kayaking today, which is our annual event that we do. And this year, we brought Chanel out. And I know you guys gonna not believe this, but she actually sat in a boat, guys. And she actually sat in a kayak. She sat in it, guys, okay? That's what she did. All right. In the water. And then let me tell you this, guys. We had the most awesome experience, and we had 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 individuals right here. I'm actually in front of the camera now. Plus we had 2 teenagers, Miss Eunice Riddle's grandchildren came out. They got on the water. They got baptized again too in the water. And we want to just say on behalf of all of us, thank you so much for your kindness and everything that you did by getting some of us in a boat, because it's a miracle for her to get in the boat.
I am standing here.
Would you like to say something?
No, put this stuff in all the way. We look to see you on July 12th, which is our next event day. And hopefully you'll have more to be able to teach on the water.
This Black, what you got?
I got the one that know how to swim.
I
got the ranger that knows how to swim. I got the ranger that knows how to swim.
Your name again?
Kara.
Kara.
Yeah, I had Kara.
We old people, we don't remember that.
Kara can swim, so I had to get Kara out there with me.
My ranger that got me out the boat. My man.
Okay, we're going to allow them to introduce themselves.
Yes,
and
yes.
Tell us what your experience was like. Was this the first time dealing with blind and visually impaired individuals?
Yep, my name's Jordan. This was my first time dealing with blind people, especially on the water of all things, and I had a really good time. So.
All right. And your name?
I'm Kara, and I worked last summer, so this is maybe my second time working with the group.
Yes, and you?
My name is Jalen. I had a blind uncle in the past, so I had to deal with that, but I've never had to bring blind people out kayaking before, so it was a great experience.
All righty, and you?
My name is Jamal Sharif.
Yay!
The big guy.
My second summer, but this is actually my first program.
All of you, thank you so very much for your kindness. On 3, 1, 2, 3, TBSC, and we're out.
Okay, bye, we're out. We're out.
That's why I don't video.
We're out.